Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Use 6 to 8 ripe avocados for about 1/2 cup of oil. Weigh roughly 900 to 200 grams of fruit if you prefer metrics. Preheat the oven to 250 degrees F, 120 degrees C, and line a baking sheet with parchment to prevent sticking. Wash the avocados, halve them, and remove pits with a sharp knife, then scoop the flesh into a bowl. Gather a food processor or blender, a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth, heat-proof bowls, and clean glass jars for storage. Spread the scooped avocado flesh in a shallow layer on the prepared baking sheet to allow even heating. Bake at 250 degrees F, 120 degrees C, for 45 to 60 minutes until the flesh darkens and releases visible oil, watching to avoid burning. Remove the sheet and let the baked flesh cool slightly before handling to avoid steam burns. Transfer warm flesh to a food processor and blend until smooth. Warm mashed flesh releases more oil than cold, improving yield and separation. Spoon the warm, mashed avocado into a double layer of cheesecloth over a heat-proof bowl and twist tight to press out oil. Use a wooden spoon to press and collect as much liquid as you can. Allow the strained liquid to sit undisturbed for 24 hours so heavier solids settle to the bottom, then carefully decant the top clear oil into clean glass jars through a fine strainer. Label jars and store them in the refrigerator. Homemade avocado oil will keep up to 3 months when chilled and kept airtight.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.